If you want to set a specific notification sound for a chosen conversation on POCO X7 Pro, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna open the Messages app. Then we need to choose the conversation. So let's say I'm gonna pick this one over here. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to Details. In Details, choose Notifications, and here you have your sound. Now, this is the same sound that I have for all my notifications. So if I want to choose a different notification sound for this specific conversation, then of course I want to tap on Sound. And here we can either choose Local Ringtone, which is the notification sound. So you can open the file manager and you can pick the audio file from your phone, or you can choose pre-installed ringtones, which is also of course notification sounds. And here if you scroll down, you can see that we have different sounds that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, I'm gonna press apply and then press OK to confirm. And there we go. Now I have a different notification sound that will be played when I receive a message from this specific contact. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!